Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get one of the best spicy apps on your Firestick. It's not a new app, but you probably already have forgotten about it or didn't even know about it. But actually it's got a couple of millions of videos inside. It's super easy to use, there is no need to use a mouse toggle because its interface is meant to be used on Fire Sticks or Android TV devices. So that's truly an amazing app for some spicy content. And without any further ado, the first step you gotta take is get the app called Downloader to your Fire Stick. You can actually get Downloader totally free of charge. To do so, you have to go to search on your device. And now here in that search bar, we need to start typing Downloader. And as you can see, Downloader usually pops out for us straight at the bottom. So there's even no need to enter the whole name of the app. You click on Downloader, and that's the app that you gotta get to your Fire Stick device. However, after you get Downloader, it's not over yet, because you still have to set it up. So now, in order to actually set up a Downloader on your Fire Stick, you have to go to Settings, so let's do it right now. Click on that button with a gear icon. After that, you have to scroll down until you see My Fire TV. Open it. And from here, you'll have to turn on developer options on your device. However, on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire TV Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry because it's pretty easy to make them appear. You just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast. So let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it's going to say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a little bit, you will finally see developer options, which now have popped out for us right here. Open them, make sure to turn on the ADB debugging, then you need to go to Install Known Apps, and from here all you have to do is locate Downloader and turn that option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now finally what you have to do is go to the list of applications on your Fire TV Stick device. Here it is, let's open it, and there's the Downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your Fire Stick. But before actually using Downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing, and it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN, because they're super fast, they got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use, and they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In a VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say we'll connect to Germany right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in the pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN, with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. Or alternatively, if you don't want to use NordVPN, you can also use IPVanish instead, which is another really decent VPN provider. They are a bit cheaper than Nord, and we also do have a discount code for them as well in a pinned comment of this video or in the description of this video. So it's up to you to decide. It's either IPVanish or NordVPN. And now finally let's use Downloader safely. So we open the application on your Firestick, wait until it loads for you, and now here what you gotta do is just open that search bar and start entering the code, which is going to be 9535562. So once again, the code is 953562. That is the code you have to enter. Then click on go, and while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you will get even more content about Firesticks. As well as please hit the like button below this video. It really helps me a lot, and that way I'll be able to create even more videos for you. And now, after the app was downloaded to your Fire Stick, what you have to do next is install the application to your Fire TV. So click on install, and now the app will be installed to our Fire Stick. And after it is installed, don't click on open yet, instead press on done, because this way you'll have an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your device. So you just click on delete and then delete once again. This way you get rid of unnecessary files from your Fire Stick and save yourself some free space on your device. And that's really important, because by default your Fire Stick doesn't really have too much of free space available anyway. And now if we go to the list of apps on your device, which is right here, we'll open it. And now when it loads, you'll find the new application which we just installed. So here it is. Now I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on move to front. This way the app is always going to be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's going to be pretty easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep your VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online when using such apps. So enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.